Do you want to give an awesome clean and professional look to your desktop? Today I will show you how you can make your desktop look clean and professional, simple and easy. I use this dock for all my desktop folders. Before and after. Look how nicely this docker organizes folder. I always like to put the shutdown and restart button in front. Here they are. It shuts down my PC just a single click. Here is PC Cleaner. Just a single click it speed up, optimize and clean my PC. It is essential for making your PC run fast. There is also a system tray. It monitors various activities on my computer such as CPU usage, memory usage. Also monitors hardware, software and applications services. Here network monetizer, for connecting internet with VPN. This is mandatory to protect my network, hide IP for personal privacy. This is the audio player. Any song can be turned on and off from here. Here I put the net speed meter. Disk drive temperature and CPU temperature shows up here. This is a virtual keyboard. I use it to type Bangla. This is special box. Everyday selected quote is showing here. It is USB drive's shortcut. When I insert a pen drive it shows up here. Easy to open. Isn't it? CPU meter. RAM meter. All my apps are on top. Any software that I need can be opened very easily from here. See, just a single click. I open Firefox and type Bangla using virtual keyboard. Nice and easy to use. Thank you for watching.